Hello guys, Aslam here from Latest Flex. So in this video we are going to learn about from sites and how we can design sites, and I'm going to show you all structure of the website, how you can design in a GoHighLevel, and that's the lecture number 22 of basic to advanced GoHighLevel course in 2025. So let's dive in a video and I will show you step by step how you can design a website. I simply go to the sub account that you remember in a previous video we have created test accounts for our testing purpose and for our this course. So I simply go to the test account. In the previous video we have discussed about the funnels and funnels automations as well, so you can watch my previous video if you want to learn about how to design funnel. So let me dive in the site section, and here the first section we have learned already. So right now we are going to use the website section, and it's a super easy. We are going to learn about the sites. It's a similar to the funnel. So what we are going to do in a funnel, we have create a folder, and so I just create the folder name here, say test website here, and I just simply create the folder. Folder is done, so I will create first website. Here we have two options, you can create here and you can create here. And in a funnel, you remember we have three options with AI funnel as well, but in a website section we don't have any AI option here. So I'm going from the blank and I will say test 01 is our website, and then we will create a step, and step in the GHL we will call step is as a page. So that's basically not a step, that's a page. Simply I go here and I will create page and I will say home page. I'm not going to do any path here, I simply create the page. I have explained all these features in my previous funnel design video, so you can jump on a back funnel design video and you will learn about all these things. So we have just created our home page. So again we have two options, we can use any existing page or we can use from blank. So I'm going with the blank. It's a similar like a funnel type structure, but you have a bit more elements in this section. I have explained these all features and these and also these features as well. You can simply go and watch my previous video how to design funnel, and you can learn about all these things. So let me dive here, and here this is you see we have four layer here, the main four layer here. The one is this one, and this one is header, and this one we have menu bar where we have all elements features as well. So it's a super easy. I will just take full width section here, and in a section I will take two columns, and in columns I will take element, and for example I'm going to use button here. And if you want to change button design, it's super easy, you can play with these sections. I have explained in previous videos, so you can watch my previous video, and I will also explain in this video as well. And in this element I'm going to use menu stripe, so that's a menu, and in menu we also have image and these things, and so I'm going to use only one column here, I'm not going to use two column. And here you can see we just select one column here, and here what we can do, we can just change the image here. It's a super easy, just go here, and here we have all images, and I will use this one, not this one, it's not looks good. We have more logo as well, so let me use thing. Okay, for instance we will use this one, but later on we will change it. So we don't need this business name. What we are going to do here, we are just remove our business name from here. Now we have two sub menu and other menu section, main menu section as well. And what we are going to do here, we are simply going to do this text business name. So it's all tags, it's not text that we are going to replace it, but let me find a business text name here. Yes, here we have business name. If you want to remove this one, just simply off this, your business name is off and your menu is here. If you want to change this element background color, it's super easy, and scroll below, and Here you have background color, and I would like to say it's a blue. It's this one. And if you want to increase these sizes, and just dive here, and you can change your pixel size and put your size accordingly, and your logo look good. And here you have a complete brand logo placeholder. And same, if you want to add height, you can add height here as well. So if you want to add these pages, and in a sub menu or main menu, you see it's in a menu. I will track back and I will make it main menu as well. So let me add another section, and I will add full width section as well, and I will add 3 column right now. And in the first column, what we are going to use this bullet section 1, and in this bullet list 2, and here we are going to use bullet list 3. Okay, and we can design as well according to our requirement. Like we say background this one, and here we say background this one, and here we say that's the background. Okay, and in the next step, what we are going to add, we simply go another add section, and it's a this time we are going to 3, but we are going to use 2 column, not 3. And here what we are going to use, we are going to use a button here. We will say that we are going to use paragraph text here. Okay, and simply drag and drop, and you can design your website according to your requirement. It's not a tough, it's a simply drag and drop. In the later on video, I will explain all these things, how you can design in a super easy way as well. So you can using template. So yeah, that's it from this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services or website design service, so simply go to the leadsflex.com. I will provide link in the description box below as well. Book a free consultation and let's discuss your project. You can talk here me on this chart widget as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.